Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is what is the use of sample tool in case of Alteryx. So this tool is also available in the favorites tab, and you can find this particular tool in the preparation tab also. So what will be the difference in between random percentage sample and this sample to this that? So in case of random percentage sample, you can take the data randomly. So some of the fields can be shown randomly. So if you want to see specific data, specific record, you can see with the help of random percentage tool, and percentage wise also you can see. Over here we will see only sample data which we want according to the rows, so it will be shown in the sequence, but in random percentage sample it will be shown random. So now we will go to a in out tab, drag this input data tool in the new workflow. So we will require to connect a file. It will redirect us to the data connection window. So I'll click on this particular file path named as sample sales data Excel. From this I have selected this particular sheet named as orders. I'll click on open. OK. So I'll click on run button. So preview is also available to us, and we can see the result workflow in the download side. So I guess there are 9,000 records in this particular. I'll show you the file. So when I click on this particular order, this is the data set. So 9,994. So approximately 10,000 records are there. So as we know that Alteryx can take a data up to 1 MB capacity, so it has pulled the data of around 2,118 out of 9,994. So this is displayed over here. So the data is being displayed over here. Now we will go to the preparation tab, drag this particular sample tool, connect it with the input data tool. Now we can see in the configuration pane if you want to see any specific rows from this particular data. So we can see the specific rows. So whenever I have clicked on this input anchor, this particular data of 2,118 records out of 9,994 is being displayed. If you want to see 5 records, so I'll just type first n rows n equals to 5. So I can click on run, so it will show me 5 records. So it will not take randomly, but it will show me 5 records. First 5 records. So after clicking on the run button, so the first 5 records is available over here. We can group it by regions also. Over here one option is given as group by column. So I'll just click on region. So accordingly there are different types of regions you can see over here. South, west. Likewise there are different regions. So it can group it. So over here I will write 100 and I click on run. So for the first 100 records, it has grouped the regions. So firstly, central region is being shown. We'll scroll it down. Then carefully observe the region. East region is there. Then south region is there, and west region is there. So accordingly, it is grouping the data. So 400 records is being displayed over here. So that's it for this particular video. I hope you have understood. So we can group it by specific data, first in rows. If you have given the value of 100, so likewise it can do it, and accordingly to the region. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.